Do you share your skincare or makeup with your friends or family members? If you do, then you need to stop sharing it. And there's a reason why sharing needs to be stopped. I will tell you all of those reasons so you can be safe. It can be awkward to say no, I'm not going to share my skincare or makeup with your friends and family. I have the solution for this too, so you can overcome this awkward situation. I am Sajana, and on this channel, I'm helping you build confidence in your skin, improving your mindset, nutrition, and skincare routine. And today, you will learn 5 reasons that you should stop sharing your skincare products and makeup. Reason number 1: wide open versus closed packaging. Closed packaging is anything from tubes, pumps, droppers that do not have a wide openings, where you cannot dip your finger inside to get the products out. Whereas wide open packaging are like jars. You can see mostly moisturizers in this packaging. Every time you dip your finger inside the product, it's most likely to get exposed to bacteria, as washing the hand every time you touch the cream is not visible. And if you are sharing a moisturizer with everyone, then it's a lot of dipping in the product, collecting lots of bacteria, contaminating the products. The safe bet here is to find all of your skincare product in a form of a closed packaging instead of a wide open packaging, whether it's a cleanser, moisturizer, serum, or sunscreen. If you are very much in love with the moisturizer with a wide opening, then you can use a spatula to scoop the product out. But afterward, you need to sanitize or wash the spatula. If it's too much work for you, then use a moisturizer only for yourself to be safe. Number 2, be cautious with product application. I have seen this so many times. Beauty influencer on YouTube and Instagram and even celebrities are doing this, watching their skincare routine videos, and you might be tempted to do this as well. Showing the serum or oil dropping on the face. Sure, it looks ooh la la, but it's not safe. It's a huge no. You should not do this. When the tip of the product touches your skin, it's contaminated. That means the dropper already carries the bacteria and you are putting that back inside the product. For example, I have this hair serum from The Ordinary. Instead of putting this directly into your head, touching your hair or scalp, you want to drop the product on the palm without the tip touching the hand, and then massage it into your hair. For all the serum and oil in dropper form, you want to drop the products into your palm without touching the skin and apply them to your face. This is the safest way to use the product. So, if you are sharing the serum, make sure the other person is not touching the tip. Otherwise, all the shared bacteria is in one container, and instead of doing good, it will harm you. So be careful while applying the products. Number 3, keep makeup to yourself. In between women, it's very common to share your mascara, lipstick, eyeliner, not so much foundation and concealer because the color doesn't match. But I highly recommend not to share your lipstick or mascara or eyeliner as well, because the saliva is the easiest way to transfer the disease. Lipstick are close to your mouth area, and the liner and the mascara are definitely near the waterline. So when you are saying no to sharing your makeup, you are actually doing a favor to your friend and yourself. If you are sharing the lipstick, you want to use a disposable wand, and using finger does not make any difference. It's still contaminated because it's touching the skin. So to be safe, always use your own makeup and do not share. Number 4, be careful with contagious skin condition. When you have herpes or you know someone who has herpes, then take cautious here, because This is an easily transmitted disease. During this time, when you have herpes, always have your own skincare and makeup. You need to be cautious not only for your personal care items but also for the eating habits. Do not share your food. Herpes is not dangerous, but it's highly contagious. It can occur when your body is restless and needs some time to relax and heal from stress. So, take some good rest and it will heal itself in a week or two. Number 5. Stay away from samples and testers. This does not apply now as the retail stores are closed, but I have to share this with you. I have worked in many beauty retail stores, so let me tell you what happens with the samples and testers. It's not possible to sanitize and keep eye on every product, and I have seen some people use the product straight out of the tester and put it back into the shelf. If you are trying out the product, then just try them on the back of your hand instead of applying them straight on your face. There are disposable ones available in the store, but still, you never know, the product might be double dipped or dropped on the floor. What you want to do is swatch products on the hand so you can see if the color is going to look good on you. Because when you are buying makeup online, you see the swatch of colors on the hand anyways. So it's always better to be safe than sorry. So, how can you say no, I'm not going to share my skincare or makeup with you without being awkward or rude to your friends and family? To make this easy for you, you can blame it on me. You can literally say that you saw a YouTube video of a licensed skincare specialist and she said it's not good to share the skincare and makeup because of the various contamination reason, and you can even show or share this video with them so they also know the reason why it's better not to share. And all I want is for you to be safe while using the products. If you are new to this channel, here's the playlist of videos that will help you avoid the skincare mistakes that you are currently making, and I will see you in the next video.